What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. I had to come back to Westlake because man, they usually be having stuff. It is early. Let's go see what they got. All right, there were a group of resellers here. They just walked in because they just opened up. All right, let's go see what I missed out on. I was like 2 minutes late. Let's see. It is an additional 30% off now. I don't see them running around grabbing stuff yet. So maybe nothing too crazy. Let's look. Of course, this is where we start. 30% off everything. Okay. All right, I didn't see anything super crazy, but we are seeing really good prices, especially with that 30% off, and you get full box here. So yeah, there's gonna be plenty to look at. All right, let's look. The Nike Street got to it. Never even heard of this one. Size 8.5. Looks pretty decent. Okay. 75 for these. These look like indoor soccer shoes. Okay. Oh, I did forget to mention size 8.5, 9s. These are the Niger Free 2s. Go for retail, you do get that discount though. Size 9 with the Vapor Max. Go for $1.90, you do get that discount. The Air Shesh right here, go for $100 instead of $110. Size 9, $160 for those. Size 9. LeBron's go for $154.99. I do love that you get the full box too. $176 for these. 9.5 now. Pegasus 38's going for $80. Size 10. Oh wait, I missed out on this. Size 9.5. Pegasus. This is a 4E Pegasus, so the extra wide one, or wide one, because there's wide and extra wide, I think. Yeah, $100 for these. Okay. Back to the 10s to be able to get these for $185 plus 30% off and full box. That's what I'm talking about right there. More Air Max 95s going for $160 at 10.5. Verona slips going for $65. Flytrap 5s going for $90. This is a 10. 11. The SB Bruin React going for $90. The Alpha Fly Next percent's going for $2. So that goes down to what 140. So not bad. That's probably the cheapest we've seen that outside the clearance store. 140 for those. Wow. Vaporfly Next percent, size 12, going for 150. That's definitely the cheapest we've seen those, because that's what 105 after the discount. Damn. Blazer mids, all suede Blazer mids, size 11.5, go for $50. So is that 35 after the discount? Wow. Size 12 Pegasus. Size 12 Pegasus 38's going for $120. Also got these going for $2. Alpha Fly Next percents. Air Max 95 go for $176. Do get that discount. Size 12 still Invincible Run Flyknits go for $170. Air Max Pre-Days. Holy crap, these are like super heavy. Those have some nice material. Those 12.5 for $130 for these, normally $140. Air Max 97. These are the SC versions. Go for $170, normally $190. No, normally $180, my bad. Nothing in the huge sizes. Size 14 right here. Go for $2. Alpha Flies. And those Pegasus, that's the size 13. Go for what? $90. That's about it. We definitely got to check those out, but let's go check out the regular aisles, the regular shoes first, and then we'll go check out the clearance clothing. They got a lot of sales, 50% off that. Dang. Challenger OGs. Wow, that's the cheapest we've seen in a long time. Killshot 2 Pro Leathers. Blazer mids. Air Max 2017. That's the cheapest we've seen it in a bit. Air Max Genomes. I thought these would be at the outlets like crazy because they pushed a bunch of colorways and haven't really moved too much. Of course, Soldiers. We've seen a bunch of these. The Soldier 14s. Witness 5. I swear they have a few things up here that they don't have in the aisles. But if they do, just ask for them, you know? Ask, because the Air Max 2017 all blacks, I didn't see that up in the aisles. But you can definitely ask for your size. And then they also got one of those in the running section, but yeah, let's look around here. Pegasus 38 Shields going for a really good price. Wow, that's definitely the cheapest we've seen those. The Shield version, remember that is the weather resistance upper. These are the Pegasus Trail 3s with the harder outsole. Okay. Zoom Kigers. These, the outsole's even more, what is it called? The outsole's even more rugged on these. And another one of those. Pegasus 37s. Pegasus 38 4Es, the extra wide or the wide version. Regular 38s. Tempo Next Percent Flynets. Seen this at the clearance store. Buddy George likes those. $1.80. Invincible Run Flynets with the full length React Zoom X. Infinity Run Flynets. Seen these at the outlet a ton of times. And that's it with the running shoes. I didn't see these right here. This is definitely the cheapest we've seen these. The Space Hippie 4s, okay. Oh, and then I almost lost track of these. Dude got the core purples, full box, everything. Not a B grade, but it is retail price. Dude got 30% off. The clearance stuff right here. These are all the smalls. That's hella bright. Oh my goodness. $30 though. You get an extra 30% off. They do got tech fleece, size small, $100. Normally $130, and you get the discount on top of that. They got they got them in small and medium over here as well. They got this Jordan hoodie right here, 55, normally 80. That discount really makes a big difference. Ooh, look at this Golden State, $50. This is a medium. This is normally 70 down to 50, and then you get a discount, so 35 total. Wow. This is one of the Nike, is this Nike Golf, right? Down 85 down to 40. These are in the large. These are all the largest now. This is another Tech Fleece large right here. Down to $100. Normally 160. Okay, my jacket was 160 Tech Fleece jacket, so that makes sense. $70 for these. This is an extra large fleece jacket right here. What's this? Oregon sweatshirt XL going for 30. That's like, I was like, that's like really short for being XL. Jumpman hoodie, double XL going for $40. ACG. Ooh. Oh, this is a double XL. I was like, what? If they had this my size, of course you got to get it. Especially 55, and you get that 30 off. Damn, that's a dope. That's a dope hoodie. I just can't pay $80 for it. Yeah, that's dope. Dude, got Jordan hoodies going for $30 or 30% off. Ooh, 70 down to 50, and then you get 30% off on top. So $35 for Jordan hoodies. This one doesn't have the outline. I like that one with the outline, the stitching on the outline. More 30% off. Oh, they got these. These look fire. I'm not gonna lie. These do look fire. They got medium, extra large, large, and triple XL. These are down to 70, normally $100. That is fire. The fact that they're showing off the Jordan 2s as well, because nobody loved Jordan 2 before this year, man. After the Off-White and then Unions, now everybody loves Jordan 2s. You bandwagon jumping bastards. 55 for these right here. This is pretty dope. This is normally 75. This is like hella oversized though. That's a medium. That's huge. So they just got mediums and XLs on double XL, triple XL too. Okay. Still looking. Super Bowl jersey right here. This is double XL going for $130. You do get that discount. It's an XL, right? Yep. Mahomes jersey, double XL go for $100. Normally $150. Nike shirts go for $15. The mediums right here. Ooh, the LA, is this 15? Oh, this is 15. I might have to grab one. Ooh, $22 for this one. So I have the black sweatshirt. Let me see if they have the black ones. Dang it, no black ones. These are the smalls. Nike running going for $35, normally $45. $15 for this one, the Southland. This is actually dope. A Dodgers one. These are all smalls though, dang it. This one says 15. This one says 20. That's funny. Obviously you grab the 15 one. That'll probably show up as 15 on the computers. Alright, this is retail right here, but they do have Nike SB shirts. And this is like the thickest shirt I've ever felt. Like the material is so premium and nice on these. $45. That's a little steep for me. But man, I do appreciate that quality. That's dope. I don't really cover golf stuff because I don't really golf, but do have 50% off the golf gear just in case y'all golf. So these are the polos are going for $40. You do get 50% off. These polos are normally like $65. So that's a hell of a deal. This one's going for $60, normally $85, dude, and that 50% off discount. They got some fleece. I don't know. Nike Polo has fleece. $55 for these, normally $70. And got University Blue as well. Damn, not bad. Decent sizes too. Let's check out the women's section. Got some decent stuff. Blazer low jumbos. These are size 12. Man, look at that leather. Feels decent. $85 for these. Doesn't look bad. This actually does not look bad. Size 12, 10.5 men's. Size 11.5. Go for $170 right here. Okay. Size 11. This is a platform version, so the higher ones go for 80. Let's go more to the regular sizes. Size 9 right here. Go for 175. Does come with a replacement box. But you do get that 30 off. That's the huge thing right there. Size 10 women's. Some Hirachis right here go for $120. Some Super Rep cycling shoes. Really specific. 75 for these. Is 8.5. Air Force Flyknits, size 8.5, go for 75. All white blazer, size 8.5, go for $90. Clean, dude, clean, especially with that discount. Size 8 women's, go for 100. 70 for these. This is about 37 Pegasus. Pegasus 38, go for $100. Size 8. Air Force One. This is the Crater Flyknits, go for $90. Size 8. $190 for these. This actually does come with the original box. Size 6.5 women's. That's the size 5 youth. Go for $42. $42. That's hella cheap. $160 for these. $240 for these. Vaporfly Next Percents. The guys section seem to have a lot more stuff. A lot of running shoes here. $70 for those. That's a size 6.5, and then those as well. Go for $120. That's about it in the women's. Wow, they do have dunks. Do got some dunks. Some dunk lows in the women's. That's insane. Dang, I don't know. I don't think these have resale because all the resales didn't get them. But I'll post them. I'll post them on, I was going to say Facebook. I'll post them on Instagram since some of you guys do want some dunks. So they start off with the dunks and then, man, they ain't got nothing else, yo. Nothing. I'm even checking up here just in case I missed something. They just got those dunks that I showed. And that's it, yo. And then even in the running section, just don't got much. Don't got much. Do got these Metcon 6s. Pretty decent price. Another one of those. Then some Pegasus 36s. Shield 37s. More 37s. I think the last one. Do got some Terra Kiger 7s. That's a really good price for those. Another one of those. And then got some Pegasus 38s. But I think we're good. I think that's pretty much about it. This place is freaking really huge. Definitely worth the visit. Got a lot of apparel on sale. All right, let's wrap it up. It's funny, yesterday I was actually wearing this and one of my boys saw me and he said, hey, I really like that, dude. I've been looking around, haven't been able to find it. And we do got his size right here, and it is, I believe it's 32% off because it's right here and right there. So I believe it's 32% off. Let me find out, and then if it is, I'm gonna get it for him. I think it ended up being what, $42 or something. So not bad. Yeah, it was 42 plus tax, like $45. So not bad, you guys, not bad. Oh wait, maybe like this thumbnail. Okay. All right, guys, that was Nike Westlake. Nike Westlake is interesting for those of you guys that are new to my channel. It's technically a retail store, but they kind of treat it like an outlet. It's technically not an outlet, but pretty much is because they have all that outlet deals, kind of similar to a Nike Unite store. They only have a few Nike Unite stores throughout the United States. Closest one, I think, is in Phoenix. Pretty much I consider it to be a Nike Unite store. But yeah, did grab one of these. This is actually my sweatshirt. This is mine. I already have this one. So that's mine. Let's throw that over there. And then let's pick up the one that I did get. Has a tag on it and everything. Normally $60. And I love this one because it says LA and there's a Jumpman. You know, it's pretty dope. It's black. Matches with almost anything. Yeah, I got this for $42. $42. Ended up being $42 plus tax, $45. Normally $60. It would have been $66. So over $20 off. That is pretty dope. Man, if you guys aren't checking the apparel section, y'all are missing out because I swear 90% of my Nike clothes, like Nike apparel, does come from the Nike outlets. Just because man, what's the point of paying full price if you don't need to? You know what I'm saying? Like, most of my hoodies and stuff all been $30. I have Laker hoodies that I've gotten for $30, $40. They're normally $100. So you definitely can't find deals. If you don't mind buying stuff off season, so you know, right now is a great time to buy winter clothing, winter apparel, their hoodies and stuff like that. Just get them, throw them in the closet, and then you can wear them for 50, 60% off as soon as the winter comes. You know what I'm saying? They still have t-shirts and stuff like that from last year as well, from last summer. So you can always pick that stuff up. They had a ton of shorts. None that I really was into, but they did have a ton of shorts. So hopefully y'all can come up on that. Nike clearance store, that's just my favorite for apparel. And the resellers usually aren't all over those because it's a little tougher to resell clothing. You know, they will pick up certain hot items and stuff like that, but there's usually plenty there. So, yeah, make sure you guys check out Nike Westlake, the sneaker section. Not too bad. You do get full box with everything, so that is fantastic. Y'all see behind me, I love having full boxes of everything just because it fits in my cases better. I don't know, but I do. I like collecting stuff too, so I do like having full box. I always make sure I keep my receipts. I'm pretty anal about stuff, but yeah, pretty dope spot. Gonna hit up more outlets. I went to a few today for you guys yesterday. Yeah, but I went to a few. Gonna go out to a few more this weekend. 30% off. Pretty dope. Not every outlet has a bunch of stuff, or most outlets don't have that much stuff, but I still love the hunt. I still love going out there, and I still need to get plenty of footage for y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed the video from yesterday. I did have a little fun with y'all. I think some of y'all made it to the end. Like, a bunch of y'all didn't make it to the end, and y'all say, hey, you found like some dope stuff, and I was like, okay, whatever. but yeah, make sure you guys watch all my videos till the end, because sometimes it don't make sense unless you watch till the end. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. I definitely appreciate each and every one of y'all that do make it till the end. And thank you so much for supporting this tiny little channel. You know, still growing, still trying to get you guys that dope content. I have all these secondary videos. I need to make them for y'all, but just need to get around to it. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. Got plenty of videos coming. Make sure you help away. Press that like button if you're new to the channel. Press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. Y'all know I got plenty of stuff coming. So yeah, got plenty to do, you guys. See you guys next one. Peace.